an RJ45 and RJ11 adapter. This is for Ethernet connections. This is for internet cable in more simple terms, but wired Ethernet connections are far superior to wireless because you have a more stable connection and even lower response times. Now I use my pocket knife to really separate these two halves. This adapter is nothing special, no electronic parts, no components inside. You will see it's very simple. I don't really need to use this adapter anymore, but who knows, I might need to use it in the future.